Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who is behind a fake TikTok account. For example, if you are getting annoyed by a fake account on TikTok and if you want to know about who is behind that fake account, so how you can know about that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the TikTok app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after that, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version, and after installing the latest version you can simply open the TikTok, and after checking for whether you have installed the latest version or not, you can simply open the TikTok app here. So first of all, what you can do is you can simply first of all remove that account, and you have to simply report that profile. So how you can report a profile? So you have to simply go to that profile. So here you have to simply open that profile, and after opening the profile, you have to simply go for the profile, go into the profile page, and here you have to simply click on that share button, and here is option available that you have to simply report that account. And after reporting that account, you have to simply go to profile, and you have to click on three lines here, and after clicking on three lines, you have to simply go to settings and privacy. Moreover, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of report problem here. So you can also report this problem to TikTok team so that they can block that account, and you will be free from allowing that account. So you have to simply search for the problem. So here you have to simply search for TikTok report, and you have to simply check for how to report, and after that you can search for the problems reporting of account. So here you can simply search for reporting of account, and if you find anything like that, you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply check for the setting. Here is written to report an account, you have to go to simple profile, you have to simply click on share icon, and you have to simply report. And after that, if you have already reported, then okay. If you have not reported, then you have to simply click on no. And after that, you have to simply click on need more help, and here you have to simply provide all the details about that account. You can also share that screenshot and screen recording video, and after that TikTok team will take a strict action about that, and you will be free of that account. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.